You can't get on the seat. Wow, look at you. Are you driving? You are. Wow. Good job.
What are these? It is definitely.
Where are you going? Are you checking them all out? What are you looking for? Over here. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Where are you going? You want to get on that one? You want Daddy to help you get on that one?
Yeah, it's big.
Yeah, it's big.
Sit up on there.
I sit up there?
Yeah,
Help you?
Whoa, that's a big one, Budgie. Wow. Are you driving that big tractor? That is a big one.
Yeah. Oh, I know. Yeah, that's right. You were in the other day talking to Dana about that.
Yeah, we
Yeah, that's
don't even want that big either. Somebody just put the car on the side.
No, he bought it new.
But
Yeah. That's his car over Saturday. We're not going to get it done.
You want to go back to that one over there? Do you want to go back to the one over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Come on, let's go back to that one. By the mister. Yeah, let's go back.
Wet?
And get a little wet. Cool down. Yeah. This way. You do this way. Go over here. Over there. Get on that one. Go by the mister. Daddy will show you the mister. Cool down. Is that your favorite one? Is that your favorite one? All right. Come here and check out the mister. Yeah, over here. Over here. Stand over here. Come here. Stand over here with Mama.
It's working.
Ooh. You like it? Oh, Mommy likes it. Go back in it. Go on. Woo. Can you feel it? You like it? Yeah.